Ang simbahan ay hindi lamang isang gusali. Ito ay isang komunidad, isang tahanan, isang pamilya. At tulad ng bawat pamilya, dumaraan rin ito sa iba't ibang pagsubok at pagbabago na siyang nagpapatibay ng mga pundasyon at pananampalataya ng bawat bahagi nito. Ito ang kwento ng ating parokya. Kaya halina't samahan niyo akong sariwain ito at magbalik tanaw sa Fatima.
After Father Dodot, Father Henry was appointed as our new parish priest. And then the diocese appointed Father Ron Mariano as the administrator. After Father Ron came in Monsignor Dan Santa Maria. We now experience the pandemic, the COVID-19, the COVID pandemic. Ang ginawa natin, talagang pinatuloy pa rin natin yung mga celebrations, liturgical celebrations natin. But it was via the social media platform. We also started the community pantry to help our parishioners na during the time of the pandemic, makapagbigay ang simbahan ng konti nilang sustenance. Although the pandemic restrictions then was relaxed, unti-unti nang bumabalik na yung mga tao. So yung mga celebrations din natin, unti-unti na rin natin ginagawa. During the fiesta, was the first time that we had the motorcade procession. Ang maganda naman sa nangyari nun is that we were able to go around the 4 barangays. Father Carlo came in. It's sad to note that the reason why we had this transition was because Monsignor Dan died because of the COVID virus. So he started to invite people to attend masses na during that time, face to face. There was still this fear na baka mamaya bigla akong makuha yung virus, di ba? Slowly but surely, people came back. Although not as much as when it was pre-pandemic, pero unti-unti nang bumabalik. I'm hinging my hopes to the youth of today, at present. We continue doing what we're doing. I think I can also speak for yung mga lay servants natin. I think they feel the same way. Our Lady of Fatima is our hope.
Sa panahong unti-unti pa lamang bumabangon ng parokya at patuloy na naglalakbay ang komunidad, may mga nagpahinga at nawala dahil sa takot. Ngunit may mga nanatili at patuloy na naglingkod. At sa panahong iyon, kasama ng sambayanan ng Fatima ang isang pastol na nakikiisa sa pagpapatuloy ng kwento nito.
Dumating ako sa parish, gitna ng pandemic 2021. Napakahirap nung sitwasyon. Pero the volunteers would try to be here kapag merong activities. Kahit na limited yung seating capacity ng simbahan, people will be standing outside to receive communion, to come to church. Yung faithful ng Fatima, no, very devoted, very dedicated sila in service, in serving the church and supporting the church. Yung story ng construction ng Our Lady of Fatima is in itself an inspiration to a lot of people in the diocese. The kwento na narinig ko tungkol nung ginagawa yung simbahan, kung papaano yung mga parishioners nagtulong-tulong para matapos ng maaga at mabilis yung construction. Hindi nawawalan ng pagtulong sa Fatima. Isa sa pinakamasayang inabot ko is yung 50th ng parish. Nakita mo talaga na a lot of people came back, yung mga hindi na dito nakatira, celebrated with us. Gumagawa tayo ng paraan so that people will remember what we went through, so that people will remember and see the relevance of the parish in our lives. We would like to invite parishioners back. We would like to welcome them back at make them realize na we went through a lot. So we come together. Yung pagbabahagi natin ng presensya ng bawat isa, napakahalaga para ma-revive natin yung naagisna ng marami na Our Lady of Fatima. We hope will be translated into service, being there for the church, serving in the ministries, serving in the programs and projects of the parish. 10 years from now, I see Fatima, Our Lady of Fatima Parish, a vibrant community, no? Ready to serve, ready to share their talents, their treasure, their time.
Ang pangarap na ito ay unti-unti nang isinasabuhay ngayon sa patuloy na paglilingkod ng bawat isa sa mga pusong handang tumugon sa tawag at sa bagong henerasyong inaanyayahang makibahagi. Ipinagpapatuloy ang pagbuo ng isang pamayanang patuloy na inuwian at muling binabalikan.
We would consider this as a home only because the church is our home. We grew up in
Yeah.
Fatima.
Yes.
Both of us were baptized here. We were both youth ministers here in Fatima. The involvement is deeply rooted in our life. And the responsibility of being in PPC is even bigger than raising a family, I want to say.
Fatima for me is really community building. Community building in a sense na dito ko makakilala ka rin ng mga kaibigan. We can all attest na kung ano yung church as a building or yung meron tayong simbahan ngayon is already a testament of grace and faithfulness of God's love to us.
I think it's aligned to where Fatima is. We're always hopeful. Like the bigger church, we're also in that state, hoping and striving for a better future. Fatima is always open to everybody. Kahit saang simbahan mong puntahan, bukas, naka-outstretch ang arms ni Christ sa krus, handang akapin ang kahit sinong lumapit sa Kanya. In fact, hindi lang sa Fatima, while special ang Fatima sa atin, kung saan mapapalapit ang bawat isang tao kay Kristo, yun ang magiging tahanan niya. And sana, sa Fatima nila makita yun. More than that, siguro, no, hamon din para sa atin na nagsiserve sa simbahan na hindi maghintay, kundi maging proactive na lumapit. Sana tayo yung maging instrumento para maging boses ni Kristo sa pagtawag sa kanila towards the church. Naniniwala ako na everybody is being called in some shape or form. And it's up to us to hear that call and answer it. Sana marinig nila yung tawag sa kanila.
Ang Fatima ay higit pa sa isang alaala. Ito ay isang tahanang patuloy na inuuwian at isang paanyayang patuloy na tinutugunan. Sa bawat pagbalik ay dahilan para magpatuloy. Sa bawat pagtugon ay may kwentong patuloy na binubuo. At dito nagpapatuloy ang kwento ng Fatima. Ikaw, saang bahagi ka ng kwentong ito?